Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so nice of you to join us. So, will you sing the good morning song with me? Alright, so let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of you that are watching. Now let's say the days of the week and the months of the year. Now before we say the days of the week, can you guess what day it is today? Well, what comes after Wednesday? Yes, it's Thursday. Thursday is our day of the week today. So let's say the days of the week together. Ready? The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, can you remember what month we are in? It starts with the letter J, 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 J. January. We are in the month of January. Let's say the months of the year. Let's go. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, those are our months of the year. Do you know what year we are in? We just started the new year. Yes, we are in 2021. Now, it's time to find out about the weather. But before we find out about the weather, there's something that we just have to do. Yes, we need to sing our weather song. All right, so I want to hear you singing loud and strong. We are going to sing our weather song today. Ready? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Great job, everyone. You did a really good job singing our weather song. Now we can go and look outside the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a look at the screen. Yes, it's a cloudy day. And do we know what a cloudy day means? Yes, it can be that the sun is blocking the clouds, or it could mean that it might be rain. But either way, a cloudy day is still a very nice day. Now, let's talk about our color of the day. And our color of the day today is the color orange. Orange. Can you think of something that's orange? You did? Great job, everyone. Orange is our color of the day. Now let's talk about our shape of the day. Can you think of what our shape of the day might be? Well, if I tell you our shape of the day is round, do you know what our shape of the day is? Yes, our shape of the day is a circle. A circle is round. Can we draw a circle with our hands? Let's go. Yes, this is a circle. Good job, everyone. Now it's time for our letter of the day. Our letter of the day is a letter that comes after P. I'll give you a hint. It kind of looks like our shape of the day, but it has a little line in it. Did you guess what it is? It's the letter Q. Q is our letter of the day. Can you think of something that starts with the letter Q? Yes, quick, or quack, 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 like a duck. What else can you think of that starts with Q? Yes, queen. It's funny that you said queen. Queen starts with the letter Q. Now let's talk about our area of the day. But before we talk about our area of the day, you know what we have to do, right? Let's jump in our boat, jump, and sail to Trinidad. Our area of the day comes from Trinidad. It's called Queen's Park, Savannah. Queen's Park, Savannah starts with the letter Q. Queen's Park, Savannah is in Port of Spain. It's a large savanna where you can go and exercise. People come to have lots of food. There's lots of food to eat as well. There are coconut vendors so you can get fresh coconut water to drink. It is also the largest roundabout in the world. So if you drive around the Queen's Park Savannah, that's the longest roundabout in the world. Isn't that interesting? So I'm sure you know where the Queen's Park Savannah is. So be sure to look out when you visit the Queen's Park Savannah. You can take a jog, you can take a ride on your bicycle with your family, you can have food, you can have coconut water, and so much more. So I hope you enjoy the Queen's Park Savannah. Now it's time for our lesson. And so far this week we have been talking about lots of things related to Trinidad and Tobago and what we're about. And today we want to make something that we will be able to use continually throughout our teaching sessions. So we want to make a recipe book. A recipe book is a book where you have all your nice recipes that you like to make that are really yummy, and you put them together. So today we are going to make a scrapbook with our favorite local recipes. Alright everyone, are you ready to get started making your scrapbook? Now the first thing you would need is of course some scissors. You need some tape if you have tape, or glue. You can get some ribbons. I have some ribbons here, and some string that you can tie your book together. And well, what I did is just get a couple pages from my scrapbook or my sheet and cut them the same size. So I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets together. And the first thing you would do is make a hole. Now if you have a hole punch, you can make a hole with that, but I'm using a scissors and I'm just folding it in half and just cutting a little bit on this side and the same thing on the other side. And I have my holes that I'm ready to put my string through. So I'm going to start by putting my string through all my pages in my scrapbook. Now what I have as well, so that I can just decorate the front of my scrapbook, is these little sticky labels that you would use for your books when you're in school. I have just a little so now I have my scrapbook all started, and I can go ahead and take whichever sticker I like. I think I'm going to choose the green one and just add it to the front. So I think I'll make the purple side the front of my book. I like that. So I'm going to put this purple sticker here, and I'm going to write my recipe book. Alright, so I wrote recipe book on the front of my recipe book, and I can continue decorating it. I can draw like a little flower. I could draw anything I want to do. Alright, so I drew a flower on the front of my scrapbook. Now you can do anything you want on your scrapbook. You can decorate it however you like. If you have stickers, like fun stickers, like maybe Paw Patrol, or you have like a Barbie sticker, or anything that you have that you want to make your scrapbook really nice, you can do that. You can even use your newspaper and just cut out little pictures that have food in it, anything you want to put in the front of your scrapbook. So you can go ahead and continue decorating your scrapbook, and now you have your pages. You can write your recipes and have lots of fun. Now we are going to be starting making nice fun cooking activities that we all can enjoy, and of course you can put those recipes in your new recipe scrapbook that you created, so you have them to look back, and if you want to make them again, you can do that. So thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.